This project was more than just a brief of ticking boxes for rooms. It really tapped into the emotional part of the journey of designing a home. And that really helped shape our design thinking and what it meant to have a family home. My name is Rawson. I'm a founder and designer at Hall Hart, and this is Avenue House, my family home. So we're in Willoughby East, which is a small suburb on Sydney's lower North Shore. The area is defined by quiet, calm streets, leafy surrounds, an abundance of parkland nearby, a great community for raising a small family. The vision of the project started with my wife and I designing for a family home that we could grow into. At the time, it was just my wife and I, and along the design journey, we received the news that we would be welcoming our first child into this world, and that helped shape the design decisions. We would often close our eyes and visualise how we would want our kids to be interacting and playing with spaces. And being the homeowner and designer and builder was a deeply rewarding personal journey, and that informed a lot of our design thinking. Some of the key requirements were definitely open space, connection to the outdoors, and an abundance of natural light. We really prioritised spaces where we could connect and spend time together as a family, but we also wanted to overlay it with thoughtful interior design that added each area its own individuality. So with the kitchen, we opted for a bench top that had a bit of character, and then through the dining room and the living, we played with different stone materials, and we also opted for different ceiling formations. Externally, we've used a full clay brick from Brickworks and paired that with some limestone paving. We landed on the Bowral Chillingham White, which has a soft beige undertone, but because it's a full clay brick, there's a lot of natural variation from brick to brick. Some bricks are lighter, some bricks are darker, but when looked at holistically, it just adds so much subtle depth and character to a facade, and we felt that really contributed to the mood of the home. So the use of the Bowral 50 on this project was of high importance for us. We felt that the thinner profile stretched lines horizontally, which gave the facade a look of sharpness, which speaks to precision and craftsmanship rather than bulk. I'm a big advocate and admirer of bricks and how it's been used historically within modern Australian architecture. I probably didn't have the confidence to use it like I have in this home, but when I came across the Chillingham White, I just thought that the tone and texture of it really could be the standout feature for this home. But also, I feel like bricks have a level of permanence with the design of a home, and it really grounds a facade, and using bricks add more than just visual features but also have a high level of durability and don't date quickly. For as long as I can remember with Hall Hart, we've been partnering with Brickworks. We just love the support that they give with regards to bringing out new products, but also how they appreciate bricks from a design point of view. They go beyond just bricks and mortar, but understand that a good brick does good storytelling for a home. For the design of this home, we were really conscious not to overbuild. We really wanted to focus on what was enough for us as a family so that we could actually put more of our budget towards the finishes and materials which we feel as though add more emotion and connection to a home than adding space on space. We just wanted to create a home where our family felt like they were always wrapped in warmth or love. We really focused on materials that had tactility, so when the light came into the home, the light would really play with those surfaces. The downstairs living, kitchen, dining area to me has a special feel to it, just the openness and natural light that comes in and the materials and how they interact with each other. Another favourite area of mine is definitely the side courtyard and the brick paving and how that feels to relax in. I hope when people visit this home, they feel an instant calmness and warmth, and I hope that whoever comes here gets to be able to feel the love but also give love back to the home.